Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
We got some bacon, and we got some eggs, and we've got some pasta. It's just what it said in the opening. It's bacon and eggs pasta. How to make this? Well, you use leftover pasta, and this is a nice Italian pasta, and it's made with this bacon and eggs. It's very fast, simple, and easy. It's a good thing to do with leftover pasta, so check this bad boy out. So first I'm just going to give these guys a slight beat. I'm not going to beat them like a scrambled egg or an omelet, just a little. There you go, just a slight beat like that. That's how you start. And next you're taking this bacon and just going to break it up like that, see? I'm going to finish doing this, so I'll meet you over at the stove to put this pasta, bacon and eggs pasta, together. All right, we got a warm pan, medium. I'm going to put a little olive oil down. I'm going to grab this pasta and just put this down. See how much we got in there. There you go. Just mix this around. So it's left over. It's already been cooked, so this should be a fast little stir. Nice. Keep it on medium. A little pepper. I like pepper. A couple strokes of salt. Uno. Two. Mix that in. For seasonings, just a little parsley. That'll bring out some green stuff. Put the eggs in. Let's put the bacon in. It's bacon and eggs. Let's get it all incorporated. Oh yeah, look at it. It's cooking up nice. Just like a scramble. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is gonna be so delicious. What's gonna make it even better is some Parmesan cheese. I like using the grated stuff. All right, not too much, but that's good. All right, keep incorporating. Keep doing this until those eggs are cooked. And you got a simple, fast, and easy dish with leftover pasta and a great way to start your day for breakfast. This will be done in a few seconds. I'll meet you over at the counter, put this baby together. There's the close-up of that bacon and egg pasta. Simple to make, but wait till you taste this one. I'm gonna do just that. Can't wait. There it is, look at piping hot. Ready for the taste test. Take a big bite here. I'm using a spoon to get it all. The bacon just came right in and asserted itself. Creaminess of those eggs and that cheese. Pasta's just perfect, al dente. I hope I don't eat this whole thing. But check this out. Check out all my recipes at Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Keep living life 365. Ignore the trolls. Until next time, peace. Oh yeah. A lot of bacon.
Live life 365.
I'm talking about trolls. You gotta ignore them. There are people that hide behind avatars. They're just mental. They got something wrong with them. Ignore them. I wish YouTube would do something about them, but that's another story. Look at that bacon. Sweet baby babu. Baba. I'm back.